AI robot performs surgery with almost no human help. The future of medicine. Surgical robots just took a major step towards full autonomy. And no, this isn't science fiction. In a world's first, an AI-powered robot successfully removed a gallbladder from a dead pig with minimum human input. The system was trained on 17 hours of real surgical footage, learning from 16,000 human hand movements. The robot runs on a two-layered AI system. The first layer watches the surgery through an endoscope and gives simple instructions like clip the second duct. The second layer translates that into precise 3D movements. It performed the 17-step surgery 8 times and nailed every task. Impressive, considering some robots are struggling with vacuuming straight lines. That said, it wasn't totally hands-free. The robot did need a human to swap out one tool and had to self-correct about 6 times per procedure, but it spotted its own errors and fixed them. Researchers say the next goal is autonomous surgery on live animals, where things get tricky with breathing and bleeding involved. Still a glimpse of what's coming: safer, smarter, and more consistent surgery powered by AI. And that's your robot news update for today. If you're curious about how robotics can transform your business, join me for my weekly live Robot Optimized workshop. It's packed with insights, trends, and practical tips. Don't forget to subscribe to stay in the loop with the latest updates. I'm RoboPhil from Robot Philosophy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.